Today is a sad day. Tessie's bed is empty. We've had to give her away.
Just for the day, of course. It's my birthday and we've got a couple of plans that can't include the doggy. Riding shotgun today, not in the back because we don't have a Tessie, as you already know. We are off to Caldecotte Lake for a tandem bike ride. You can probably just about see the tandem.
That's another reason why Claire's riding shotgun.
Yeah, there's no room for me in the back. So we haven't been out on the tandem for over a year, so it's probably just going to be a short one and we'll see how we go. I've got a dodgy knee as well, so we'll see how that pans out. But it's a nice bright day. It's cold, but it's dry and it's bright, so hopefully we'll have a nice little time.
And lots of people have shown an interest in the tandem, so it'd be great to take you guys with us.
Try and get some good shots of it and I'll try not to fall off it.
Oh, but first we've got to pick up something special.
Yes.
And we'll show you that in a minute.
So David's going to go in and collect our afternoon tea from this lovely little place. Ooh, what we got?
So we've got just plain cheese for the fussy person. We've got just cheese and cucumber for the not so fussy person. We've got scones, we've got Rocky Road, lemon drizzle and chocolate brownie.
What's in there? Is that like a little...
That's clotted cream and jam.
Clotted cream and jam. Ooh, exciting.
Is indeed. But
yummy,
not
yummy. Get in my tummy.
Not until you've done your bike ride.
Oh,
then
okay.
you can have it. Dum da da dum da da dum 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 da dum 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 da da dum da da dum 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 da dum dum dum.
What are you doing?
I'm singing Thunderbirds.
Why?
Because I feel like a Thunderbird. Is it driver or is it a pilot? I feel like a Thunderbird pilot. Because, right, you know Thunderbird 2, yeah? That had another vehicle inside of it. And we've got another vehicle inside of us.
Ah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thunderbirds are gone. So that is the bike out of the van and we're off for a ride around Caldecotte Lake. But you know what? When is a tandem not a tandem, Claire?
I don't know, when is a tandem not a tandem, David?
When you take all your viewers with you. We'll take you with us. Enjoy the ride. So there are two lakes at Caldecotte. There's Caldecotte North and there's Caldecotte South. And across the middle of them is the flyover. We've just been round one of them and you can see the little windmill just over there. that's where we come from. I've no idea if I'm pointing in the right place to you guys. It's difficult doing the mirror image.
There.
But yeah, we're about halfway round, but it's a lovely place. You've got a pathway all the way round. It's supposed to be shared for pedestrians and bikes. In truth, I don't think the pedestrians are aware of the cyclists, and I don't think they like them that much. But we do have a bell, and we have been ringing it, and most of them are kind to get out of the way,
Yeah.
so it's not too bad. But yeah, about halfway round. Catch you in a bit. Well, after all of that excitement and after the ride around the lake, I reckon Claire has deserved herself a birthday tea. What do you reckon?
Yeah. We've earned some yummies. So we have got sandwiches, we've got cakes and scones and some clotted cream and jam.
And we've got a fantastic view of the lake whilst we eat it. We'll show you that in a second.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.
Let's dig in.
Yeah. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Claire. Our view while we eat our lunch. So while I'm downstairs now talking to you guys, Claire is upstairs getting herself ready for the next part of her birthday vlog. So in lockdown, what do you buy your girlfriend for her birthday? Well, the internet is amazing. You can get just about any dress on the internet that you want. And I did exactly that. So Claire is now going to give you a fashion show of the dresses that I bought her for her birthday. Dress number 1 is a gorgeous leopard print number.
I feel like I should be in bedrock in this one.
Claire, you can make my bedrock anytime you like. Dress number 2 has more sparkle than a meteor shower. Dress number 3 is the perfect dress for the woman whose favourite colour is rainbow.
I'm a walking, talking rainbow.
Dress number 4, and I've gone and made a cup of coffee while she's getting into this one.
Well, this was a bit stressful to get into because I ate too much.
Dress number 5, the casual denim number.
This is extremely comfortable actually. I like this.
Dress number 6 is a very special number. She was Cinderella when we met, and she is still Cinderella. And what's more, she's got the glass slippers.
So all in all, it's been a fabulous day. I've really, really, really enjoyed my birthday. Thank you, David. You made it really special.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Oh.
So there's just one last thing to do. We've got to go and pick up our doggy. I'm so excited to get her back. It's been nice, hasn't it? But I've missed her a little bit.
Yes. So, you'll have to excuse us, otherwise we're going to be late picking her up. But, thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please do give us a like, give us a comment, and also, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Where else can we be found, Claire?
We are on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Always love to hear from you people.
Absolutely. So drop us a little message on there. Thanks for watching. See you soon.